Tree houses have long captured the imagination of both children and adults alike. These whimsical structures, nestled among the branches of towering trees, bring a sense of adventure, nostalgia, and a connection to nature. From childhood dreams to architectural wonders, tree houses continue to enchant and inspire. Let's embark on a journey to explore the magic of tree houses and discover why they hold a special place in our hearts. Nature's playful hideaways. Tree houses offer a unique escape from the constraint of daily life, providing a sanctuary where one can disconnect from technology and reconnect with the natural world. They serve as tranquil retreats, inviting us to pause and embrace the serenity that only nature can provide. The rustling leaf, gentle swaying of the branches, and bird songs become our symphony, harmonizing with our inner peace. Childhood dreams come to life. For many of us, tree houses evoke cherished memories of childhood adventures. These elevated dwellings symbolize a secret hideaways where imagination takes flight. Tree houses are gateway to realm of pirates, princes, and explorers. They foster creativity, allowing children to invent their own stories and create lasting memories that will be treasured for a lifetime. Architectural marvels. Beyond their nostalgic allure, tree houses have evolved in architectural marvels, pushing the boundaries of design and engineering. Today, tree houses come in a variety of styles, from rustic cabins to modern eco-friendly structures. Architects and builders skillfully integrate tree trunks, branches, and the natural contours of the landscape to create harmonious and sustainable dwelling that blend seamlessly with their surroundings. A harmony with nature. Tree houses embody a harmonious relationship between human-made structures and the environment. They embrace the concept of sustainability by minimizing the impact on the ecosystem. Tree houses can be constructed using eco-friendly materials, incorporating renewable energy sources, and adopting environmentally conscious practices. This harmonious coexistence with nature not only enhances the aesthetic appeal but also fosters a deeper appreciation for the delicate balance of our natural world. In conclusion, tree houses hold a timeless allure that captivates the young and the young at heart. Whether reliving childhood dreams, seeking solace in nature, or marveling at architectural ingenuity, these enchanting structures continue to inspire awe and wonder. As we climb their ladders, step onto their wooden floors, and gaze through their windows, we are transported to a world where imagination soars and the beauty of nature reigns supreme. So embrace the magic of treehouse and let them be a testament to our enduring connection with the natural world.